Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain how to import and export environment variables in Postman via JSON file. So let's start. So first of all, open your Postman. So once you open your Postman, then you can see the interface like this. Then log into your Postman using your email ID. Once you log into your Postman, you can see the interface like this. Now over here, go to your workspaces. So this is my workspace. So I'm clicking on my workspace. Once you click on your workspaces, over here you can see the different options. So click on the environment option. Once you click on the environment option, over here you can see I have created one sample environment, and this sample environment has some environment variables. Now I want to export this environment variables into the JSON file. So to export this environment variables into JSON file, over here you can see the three dots. So click on the three dots, and here you can see the option export. So click on the export. Once you click on the export, now select the location where you want to store this file. So I'm storing this file on the desktop. So you can give the name of the file as per your requirement or as per your choice, and then click on save. Now, if you go to the location where you have saved the file, over here you can see the exported file. Now, it is a JSON file, and you can open it in a post in Notepad. And over here you can see we have successfully exported all the environment variables. If you want to import environment variables in Postman, then you can use the similar type of file. Now let's see how you can import the same file in Postman. First of all, go to your Postman. Now I am deleting this environment. Okay. Now I already have the JSON file that I have exported. Now go to environments, and over here you can see the option import. So click on the import. Once you click on the import, click on the files. Now select the file that you want to import in a Postman. So click on the open. Once you click on the open, so over here you can see the sample environment and all the environment variables that we have imported using the JSON file. So in this way, we can import and export environment variables in Postman using JSON file. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.